Welcome to Engineer in the Making. Today, I went shopping. Alright, so if you're a handyman, DIYer, a builder in Australia, your favourite shop, like me, is Bunnings. Bunnings is like the hardware capital of Australia. They do anything from like plumbing to building hardware, nuts and bolts, screws, just anything you need, Bunnings has it. It's just amazing. Like on the weekends, they do barbecues, and like you just get a solid sizzle, walk around, have a great time. They've got little playgrounds for the kids. Like it's just the one-stop shop for every weekend. But anyway, we're not talking about Bunnings today. Today, I'm going to talk about Jaycar. So Jaycar is an electronics goods shop in Australia. They do cables, batteries, wiring, pretty much anything you need for that type of stuff. But this weekend they had a clearance sale on, so they just opened up essentially their car park, dumped all of their stuff out there that they didn't want anymore. So anything that was returned goods, damaged boxes, anything they wanted to put on sale for really cheap. And they had some absolute bargains. So I went along, picked up some stuff. I'm going to take you guys through what I found and see what we can do with it. Okay, let's dive in here and see what I got. So first up here we have a little bargain bag. So it was $10. Inside here it looks like we've got some little CCTV camera, some little power modules, some little connectors. So we'll dive into that a little bit deeper in a second. We also have an M-Bot. This is a really cool little robotics kit for teaching kids how to program how robots work. So you can program it with Arduino or with Scratch, I believe. It's got a Bluetooth module in there, it's got a few sensors, so you can do some IR like line following, some ultrasonic optical avoidance, do some driver boards and a whole lot of other stuff on there, so that's pretty cool. So I'll do a little bit of a dive into that, and maybe we can actually do some tutorials on that, to do a bit of an evaluation of it, see if it's worth buying for some of your little engineers in the making, and to kind of learn about robotics. That one there was $200 down to $50, so pretty good little price on that one. Then last but not least, we have a little electronics kit here. Again, this one's for kids. It's really simple to like clip these little modules together and teach them about circuits. This one here was $40 down to $5. So again, we can dive into that a bit further and maybe give some little tutorials about how basic circuits work for some of your little engineers in the making, or maybe if anyone wants to use this for a classroom activity, we'll evaluate that and see how that goes. So let's dive a little bit deeper into this little electronics bag here. Let's just dump it all out. Alright, so first up here we have, what even is this? So it's got an input, it's got an output, got some LEDs. It looks like it's some sort of giant LED driver. Yeah, for driving high-powered LEDs. So that's pretty interesting. We can give that a go in the future. Pretty neat little cable here, just essentially a 3.5mm headphone jack splitter, so that'll be really useful. Standard little wall plate, some little antenna connectors, they're super useful. Looks like just a little cable holder, a little cable clip. What is that? That's a little, like just a little kind of DC power type plug. It's cool. Here's that little CCTV camera, so that'll be pretty neat. Maybe play around with that, see what we can do with it. Looks like it just has some component and power, so we can hook that up. That's pretty easy. Little USB power supply, kind of power cable, and what is this? That's cute, and a little speaker. So maybe we can do a little project with that. Maybe we can even strap it onto the M-Bot so we can play some tunes. Alright. So that's pretty awesome. So I had a great day going to Bunnings, going to Jaycar. I suppose Jaycar, at least I bought some really cool stuff. So let's evaluate these. I'll see what I can do with it. If you have any project ideas for any of the stuff that you saw here, let me know. I'm going to do a video very soon on the M-Bot and on this little electronics kit here. So stay tuned for more. Make sure you get the bell on, like, subscribe. Please give your feedback into what you want to see me do. Otherwise, I'm just going to go on with some of my projects and hope you like it along the way. So stay tuned.